Forming a new habit is never easy. You know why? There are two reasons why people fail when they start something new or when they form a new habit. Number one, so when you embark upon the journey to form a new habit, let's take an example that you want to rise early in the morning, and you actually rose early in the morning one day, but next day you did not wake up while your alarm rang because you thought that it is okay, become complacent, and you were feeling your heart was saying that you need to wake up, but your mind was saying that take a little more rest. And in that dilemma, in that fight between the mind and the heart, your mind won and you slept. And you know what? Why people are not able to form good habits and be consistent on that is because they look at the outcome whenever they plan something. So of course, if you're trying to wake up early in the morning, so there might be some outcome that you are visualizing within your mind. Maybe you want to be successful, you want to achieve any goal, you want to upskill yourself, or maybe you want to be healthy and take a walk by arising early in the morning and take some sun bath early in the morning. So what basically happens that people try to attach their feelings and emotions with the outcome, and they don't believe in the process. So they fall a prey of the situation, of the condition, that they don't see the results coming in, and then they stop the good habits that they started. So I believe the one good way to continue the good habits is to believe in the process. If we become process focused, process driven, not result driven, result will automatically come. So the process says that if you have cultivated the habit of rising early in the morning, please make sure that you're consistent. Please make sure that you stop the chatters which are going in your mind. Follow your heart and do not focus on the end result. Do not focus on the outcome, because the moment you will focus on the outcome, you will fear and you will see that result is very far and it is nearly impossible to achieve that result. Goals and results are always achieved and attained by taking small actions every day and not missing on them. So when you look at the end results, you get demoralized and you think that this situation and the goal and the results that I want to achieve is very far away. Let's relax. Probably I can do something, or probably I can postpone this. Then you start procrastination, and then you start to feel that the good habits that you were being consistent, you stopped doing those good habits. You stopped forming those habits. So in my opinion, if you are process driven, not the result driven, you can achieve anything in your life. Honestly speaking, when I joined social media, I never realized that I will be connected with so many people having variety of knowledge and influence on social media. And I had no idea that I'll be interacting with too many people and learning so many things and sharing my experience with everybody, and will be able to grow on social media. But it was a result of consistency that I was able to engage people, I was able to add value in others and learn from my network. So if you really want to achieve what you want to achieve in your life, and you really don't want to fail on forming new good habits, you really need to be process driven. Of course, you have to be result oriented, but you have to be process driven. I hope you love this bite. In case if you have any feedback or any questions, you may want to drop in the comment section. Obviously, we all are different, we all are unique. You might have any other perspective, so I welcome your perspective. I request you to share this, and so I wish that you have a great time and you enjoy this weekend which is coming up, and have a lovely time. This is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet again.